how to create pay links or payment links on your Wix website. So here from the dashboard of the website that we want to create a pay link for, we will simply hover over getting paid and you will see the second option for pay links. If we click on it, it's gonna give us this: get paid instantly with pay links, charge clients once or multiple times, share links on social, email, or any way you want, and request money for your products, services, events, and more. Now we can read how pay links work, but basically I'm going to click on create pay link here, and we can choose whether it's going to be a one-time payment or a multi-payment. So I'm going to do a one-time payment here and click next. Now we can do the link name here. We can type out the link name. So for example, net purchase, not a subscription here, and it will show us the price here in our currency that we've chosen. So we can do Bulgarian lev here 5, and we can add a description here. Now we can also open the settings and we can set an expiration date for this pay link here. So for example, it's going to be valid for a week, and that's how they can pay, that's how long they can pay. And we can also set the color here. So for example, if I do something like a red here, as you can see, the button becomes red, and the button text can be pay now or pay me, or you can customize it, and you can also add an image here. So basically, after you have set this up, we will click on create link here, and it will actually require premium, but basically if you have premium, you will click on create link here, and you can copy this and send it through email, on your social media, and anywhere you want. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.